This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the SeeThruEquity Fall MicroCap Investor New York City 2015 conference. I'm with Matt Lehman, M Pharmaceutical, Inc. It's a publicly traded company. It's MQ on the CSE and MPHMF in the U.S. Matt, welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks for having me, Shelley. It's great to be here.
It's good to have you. Let's get right into it. Give us an overview on M.
Yeah, quickly, we are developing devices for obesity and other gastroenterological indications. 3 technologies, 2 of which are in the clinic or will be entering clinical trials within the next year. Those are intended for treating obesity and overweight. And the third technology, which is a bit earlier on in prototype development, is the so-called eMosquito, an automated blood glucose monitoring device.
Okay, so let's analyze each of the 3 one at a time.
Sure, so our lead product in development is called Tremeo. These are capsules for oral administration, so you can swallow a capsule. After swallowing, these capsules expand in the stomach, and the intention behind this is to make you feel full, to reduce the amount you're eating, and to delay what they call gastric emptying, so things stay in your stomach for a longer period of time. This has been in 3 pilot clinical trials. We'll be looking to get into definitive proof of concept trials with this product next year.
And number 2?
Number 2 is the so-called TrimTech. This is a slightly more invasive, but still minimally invasive. It's a gastric stimulation, an electronic stimulation device. It's about half the size of a business card, a bit thicker. It's implanted under the skin, and then there's 2 electrodes that come out of the stimulation device. Those electrodes are implanted laparoscopically, so this is a minimally invasive procedure, into the distal stomach, or the bottom of your stomach, into the muscle. As a patient eats, it starts to respond and will stimulate your stomach, again, to make you feel full, to eat less, delay emptying of your stomach, and to lose weight over time.
And the third one?
The third one, the so-called eMosquito, because it feels like a mosquito bite or even less painful than a mosquito bite, is the idea of having a watch-sized device. You can wear this. It is an automated blood glucose monitoring device for diabetics, and the idea here is with tiny pinpricks, all automated, you can collect the blood, analyze glucose, and through Bluetooth technology, that data can be transmitted to your computer or a smartphone.
So now what I'm hearing is alternatives to current methods of weight loss. This is a huge market. Have you analyzed the size of the market and where your products would fit in, and about measuring what size market share you might achieve?
Sure. As I'm sure a lot of people understand, I mean, the market is quite large. It's a real problem, obesity, in the U.S. as well as worldwide. Most of the technologies out there fall into 2 categories. They're more invasive devices, anything from bariatric surgery to endoscopically placed balloons that expand in your stomach to reduce volume in the stomach, or pharmaceuticals. And drugs have side effects, especially the potential for cardiovascular side effects is a major concern with those. So what we're trying to do and how we're trying to position our products is less invasive than the current devices, less side effects, and better compliance than the drugs on the market. So we think we have a real niche here to help patients lose a significant amount of weight.
Where has it been designed?
So Dr. Martin Minchev, he's our founder, Chief Scientific Officer. He's at the University of Calgary. He is a bioengineer and surgeon. He's developed the technology. He and his team have developed these technologies. So the company was formed around these technologies just in the past few months, earlier in 2015.
So what's some of the early feedback? Let's hear it.
Obviously people are very excited. We do have comparables to point to out there in development, but I can also point out how our products are differentiated. They're sort of best in class in both the capsule balloon type technology as well as in the gastric stimulation technology. So Dr. Minchev really has done a nice job of taking this technology to the next step.
So now let's give out your website for more information.
Sure. Our website is www.m-pharma.ca, Canadian company.
Ladies and gentlemen, Matt Lehman, M Pharmaceutical Inc. It's a publicly traded company. It's MQ on the CSE and MPHMF in the U.S. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN Live, and we're coming to you live at the SeeThruEquity Fall MicroCap Investor Conference in New York City 2015. Matt, good to see you.
Shelley, real pleasure. Thanks.